Mwancho murigaria OMOWAZIRI BW'ECHIMI Mheshimiwa Julius Migosi Ogamba nigo ritukoria rero arire eira yogocha kubwatuka chibesa chimilioni 105 ero gisiro bwagachi bwe esukuru ya abamuraya Nyambaria eyo yabire gekwamete gwikira boniga enyombe yo yanyate koba busetaraera egocha gusira emeroberio yo esukuru eyo ekirana senchirengia nigaringi ko yakwana iga ime esukuru yo Nyambaria asaikirana ase OMOYEGA Gochengera Emiaka 55 okoreri niko OMOWAZIRI Migosi aburi abarimu abanene bari abako certificate cy'abana bunatibara kora chi school fees banyare ko bagochibwato kari moryoka.
Talking of infrastructure and talking of the multipurpose hall that you are doing, which will be dealing with a number of activities including plays, drama and students participating in there. I want to confirm that the leadership of this school has informed me of the amount that is required to complete that multipurpose hall, which is 110 million Kenya shillings. And we'll be sending you the balance of 105 million to complete that structure. Infrastructure is signed not just in this school but all our schools in Kisi, so that we are going to work day and night. Uniforms have become a problem in this country. That's a problem that is affecting our parents. So we must now get a solution to that problem. We need to come together, we need to discuss it, and we will get a solution. I assure you, we will get a solution to the problem of uniform menace in this country. Certificates have been kept in schools for years. You hold the certificates on the basis that there is money that they are holding. You deny the children the certificate, and you also deny yourselves the money. So it doesn't help, and it is against the law. Please release the certificates. Do not destroy our children's lives because of denying them what is rightfully theirs. And we are urging the principals, please release these certificates to the learners. This certificate chiavana kamuranje chirelease ri abana ekyagara korubwa the certificate eri taliera kwa chibesa